Hey, it's Ryan with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video on the Arbsession HITCHnuT. The Arbsession HITCHnuT is another product coming out of the Arbsession Prototype Mill. It is a midline attachable hitch tender. It has a unique threaded system inside that prevents it from coming undone when taking it off the rope, as well as locking it in place once threaded together. There are many reasons people find hitch tenders being very useful, among those being the ease of hitch breaking, which in this case you just take the hitch nut and you can tip one way or the other, which starts to release nice and easy. It also prevents your gloves from getting sucked into your hitch, as well as preventing the burn, wear and tear on your gloves or your hands. The Arbsession HITCHnuT has a very low profile and adds very little to the length of your system. So it fits right in. You can use it when you need it. Pop it off. It fits onto a variety of carabiners, care tools, and other means of stowing it, which is slide it on, lock it on. We have found a wide variety of people gravitating towards the Arbsession HITCHnuT because it's not just for new climbers who like that extra assistance in breaking their hitch, but also for more experienced climbers. I find it more useful, especially in wet conditions when my rope's a little bit more grippy and it's a little bit more difficult to get that control on your rope. This just adds that little bit of finesse, almost makes that hitch feel a little bit like a mechanical device. It's normal to see a wear pattern to develop, especially after the first couple uses, but once you get your groove set, that definitely slows down. You do have to remember that it is plastic and a wearable item, but if you don't burn out your hitch cord, you probably won't burn out your hitch nut. The hitch nut works with rope between 11 and 13 millimeters and is not only for an MRS system, but also works very nicely with any hitch cord based SRS system. Be sure when you're using or setting up your hitch nut with a SRS device that you're providing at least 3 inches of space above your hitch nut to allow for proper movement of that device. Being a product of the Arbsession Prototype Mill, we definitely would love to hear your feedback. So if you have anything to say about our products with the Arbsession Prototype Mill, be sure to reach out to us either at info@arbsession.com or you can reach out to me at ryan@arbsession.com. If you're looking to get yourself your own hitch nut, you can find yours at arbsession.com.